Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox keeps on crashing and freezing on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video till the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, what we're going to do is you're going to close the launcher, and then from here you're going to search for Device Manager, and then you're going to search for Display Adapters, right click it, and then check for Update Drivers, and then browse my drivers, let me pick from the list, and then from here you're going to click on Next and Update. Then from here you're going to search for the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, let it load. Then from here, as you can see, this is the list of games, and then you're going to click on drivers, and then you're going to check for updates from the drivers. Then after that, you're going to search for updates on your search system, and then you're going to check for any Windows update, and then you're going to download that, install it, and then restart the system. Finally, you're going to search for Roblox player, right click, go to open file location, then right click again, do that again, and from here going to go to Roblox player beta.exe, right click, properties, compatibility, make sure that disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator are both checked, click apply and OK, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.